Kolo swings the ball, 3 lines up, and absolutely needs love to shoot the 3. And the French come down very quickly, and a lovely tip in by Rudy Gobert. Kawamura passes the ball, another 3 goes up. They finally see one go in, lefty. But as he goes to college in America to play. Anyway, Rudy Gobert moves the ball beautifully, lovely finish. Fournier. Beautiful drive and reverse. Sets the offense. Multiple pick actions. And another 3. Kawamura finally by the rim. Japanese have the run. And a nice little push pass, and they get another second opportunity, and they finish. Probes the defense, decides to set it up and asks for a screen from Rudy Gobert, rejects it, and takes the hit, and one. Higashi passes the ball on, gets the ball back. Lovely little play, and a nice little, afraid of the opportunity or the spotlight. Rudy Gobert gets the ball to the 3-point line, and no doubt they're gonna hit that one. High pick and roll. Good off. And the crowd really into this game as the Japanese get their first lead. But Rudy Gobert, let's go with the ball. Good job by the Japanese getting back on defense. Pick and roll. And in the corner. Rims in and out, but Rudy Gobert to clean up. Evans gets the ball, lovely pass, and rims in. He turns over the ball, they do. Japanese have numbers 3 on 2. Decide to pull for the 3, and it goes in! Gets the pick, but rejects it. And he gets to his floating shot, and another to get the last shot for the 3, and he gets to the rim. Lovely finish. Francisco says don't luck out that time. Francisco moves the ball on. Beautiful ball movement to the corner. And Kawamura. Lovely finish and dunk. And then line it up. The young buck. Good defense by the Japanese. They turn it over. Numbers. Easy layup and a dunk. The crowd love it. Ball down low. Needs to make a move here. Passes it out for the 3 and hits it. Good. Nice running layup. Could have been a foul. Runs off the rim. French have numbers. Foot on the line. And for a 2. You know that the Japanese love to shoot the 3, so they need to fight over that screen. Francisco also loves the 3, and he says, hey, just chip away at this lead again. Good ball movement. Togashi lights one up right. Evans, Luke Evans in for Japan. Oh, lovely move, Kolo. Togashi, time running down, he lets one go. Whoa, and he hits it. Togashi with the ball, gets the pick. Shoots the 3. Oh, need to talk about this 3-point shot. Anyway, Rudy Gobert says, okay, let's. Francisco here will lead the way. Beautiful pass. Point guard Togashi passes it on to Evans. And collision between the French. Ball right now in blue versus the Japanese in white, as France get their hot hand man there, and with the ball, holding the ball a bit too long in my opinion, but manages to finish at the rim. What a layup, but block, and are they going to count it? Wow, Fournier doesn't give up on that play. They've got numbers. They find Fournier in the corner. And a shooter in, also in the corner, Yabusele. Okobu gets a nice reverse layup. Gets it to Hijima. Excuse me. Doesn't matter who it is. Yoshi gets the ball back to Yoshi. And back rims. Good box out, but it doesn't matter. Baba. A long, deep three, and he drains it. Japan on the run. So quick at the player in the corner. And lovely left hand. And easy. 2. Nando De Colo will be patient. Tells him to get out to get the pick and roll so he can get into his layup. And gets the friendly roll. Game. De Colo. Rudy Gobert off the rebound from De Colo. The young one. So guess who's shooting the 3? Yes, he's feeling it. Tominaga. Exciting young man this is. But then fall asleep on the defensive end, Japan. Misses his free throw, but guess who's there? And the French steal it. Good defense. They're off to the run. Okubo, beautiful ball play. And Rudy Gobert, easy. Evans gets it back. A wide open 3. Of course, he's going to make it. Takashi. Good ball movement. Nice pass after fall. And a beautiful finish. Takes the hit. Japan, let's see if they can make this a 12 or 11-point game. Tominaga finishes it. Out says defense. French looking for the ball. They do. Gone into a 3-2 zone, the Japanese. And the French break it up. Doesn't matter. Control. France have numbers. In transition, Francisco makes it look easy at the rim. And I just seen Coach Tom for Japan call for a timeout. And fall. Dunks it on the Japanese heads. Even it. So it's a 20-point game. See if Japan can just chip away the last 3 minutes 40. Good offense here. Nice move. Fantastic finish. He's everywhere, making players have to think. A couple in his bag, but gets that to rim in. 4 points for him. And a 3-point shot. Togashi. Tap here with the rebound. Nearly get the turnover, but why not just slam it home? And it's gone to the Suns. He rolled his ankle the last game, so hopefully he'll be back for the World Cup. Oh, beautiful reverse.